Duh. 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 I just made a duh. Look at the duh I made. And I just made 10 scroll saw projects in less than 3 hours. If you want to hear more about it, don't touch that dial. Boy, that really dated me. Don't go away. Okay, so hope you're all doing well this morning. It is Tuesday morning, it's February 4th, 2025. I'm still at home, and I think I got a load, and I'll probably be leaving this afternoon. So, but I got up early this morning, gosh, 4 or 5 o'clock, and yeah, I want to get out in the shop. And I felt like doing some scroll sign, doing some little projects before I get back to work. I thought I'd share this because I just made 10 projects in less than 3 hours. Yeah, I got to sand them and finish them and stuff yet, but I cut out 10 projects. All of them pretty simple. A couple of them took a little longer, but 10 cool projects on my scroll saw. And yeah, I came out here and braved the cold. It was 10, well, it was about 10 below this morning, and then it was 5 below when I came out here. And I got my kerosene heater going, and then it stopped, then it started, then I got my propane heater going. Anyway, I got about 15, 20 above zero for the last 3 hours I've been working out here. Warming up for me. Anyway, it's been fun. So I want to show you this. And just to show you again, I've been scroll sawing for over 33 years. I'm still an amateur. I'm still learning. Okay, and I just want to show you what you can do with this amazing tool. Okay, I need to drink coffee first, as usual. Oh, it's good. Black Rifle Dark Roast. Blackbeard's a delight, I think. Good. Anywho, okay, I did 10 projects here, and they're from a variety of places. I think Steve Good might have done a couple of the patterns. A couple of them, I'm not sure where I got them. And there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A few of them I made up. Okay, so I just want to show you here. They're just fun. And here's the thing: there are thousands, if not millions, of scroll saw patterns out there. Different things, all different variety of all different kinds of things you can do on the scroll saw. And again, like I always say, make up your own patterns, do your own thing, and combine patterns and stuff. So there's lots of things you can do in scroll saw, woodworking. But I really like word art. You all know that's one of my favorite things. I like making Christmas ornaments and puzzles, and I like doing word art. I don't know why. I guess it's because I like reading. I like words. I like language and English and stuff. And to do that in wood, to write in wood, because that's really what you're doing with a scroll saw. You're hand cutting this, writing in wood, and it's really fun. There's just something about it, and I like to just express myself through word art, and whether it's scripture or quotes or sayings or things I made up. So I'm going to show you these. Okay, short video here. I'm going to keep it short and sweet because I'm pretty sweet. I mean, look at me. Yeah, I know. Well, my wife thinks I'm sweet. That's all that matters to me. Anyway, okay, so bunch of things I made here. I just finished a duh. It's simple. I've been making these for years. I don't even know the font. I just made it up. This is duh. And people have done these before. This one I made out of pine. Just simple. Real easy to make. Okay. Let's see. What else we got here? Then we have Old Fart Award. Is that cool? And this is in cherry. Made this one in cherry. Old Fart Award. I haven't done one of those in a while. I thought it'd be fun. That's the thing. I'm actually using patterns I haven't used in a long time. I just made up this one this morning. However you want to say it. I'm saying poop happens. I just made it up. This is just a poop emoji. I made a pattern years ago, and this morning I just thought, I'm going to put happens after it. How cool is that? Simple. This is made out of mahogany, and when I stain it, when I put a clear coat on there, it's going to darken, so the poop will look poopy. Do you see a theme here? Fart, poop, I don't know. We're not going to keep going on that theme, but okay, another one. And I made these years ago too. Another one, just I made it up. What's up? It's kind of fun. And here's a little quick tip when you're doing word art. A lot of times, and here, that's the thing too. There's a lot of different kinds of fonts here and design. Some of them are cut out of wood. Some of the letters are cut in the wood. Some is a combination of both. There's all different sizes, different fonts, things you can make up. You can get pattern, all the different things. If you're doing this kind, like I do names, you got to make sure you attach all the letters, right? And even if you do a question mark, it has to be attached. You got to be creative, and I know you're all creative. And so just remember that you got to overlap them so they're attached. Or if you want the letters to not be attached, then you can put it on a base. Okay, but if you do it this way, this is the way I make most of mine. You don't need a base because they're all attached and it's all one piece. And this is out of alder. What's up? Okay, keep going down the line here. Whatever. That was kind of cool. I made these years ago, and sometimes I'll put Philippians. Is it Philippians? Philippians 4:8. Yeah, I think it's Philippians 4:8, the whatever verse. Anyway, I thought I was gonna go whatever, kind of a Eeyore thing too. Okay, then my smiles. Now this is another one I made up, and it's just fun. I love to help people smile and help people laugh. I just spelled out the word smile and I put a circle attached to it. And I can do emoji smiles, and I just make them up. I just do all different faces, and I actually got 3 of them here. So technically I got 12 projects because I did 3 of these this morning, but then I got this one. That one's winking. Winking at you. Well, wink there this morning. Yeah, everybody needs a wink sometimes. And these are all done out of poplar. There's another one. That one's laughing. I've made all kinds of these. Just a smile with a little emoji smile. It's just fun. I just love doing this stuff. Okay, what else we got here? Okay. I'm a geek. Because I am. I mean, look at me. I'm a geek. I'm a dork. I'm a nerd. I mean, that's what I am. I am what I am, and that's all I am. I'm Popeye the Sailor Man. No, I'm not Popeye, but I mean, I just thought that was cool. This is a really old pattern. I found this in a book. That's the thing. Just be creative and just look. There's so many places you can get patterns for scroll sign and woodworking. They're all over. And it's fun to use different patterns. Use popular ones, but also use old ones. Use different ones. Make up your own. It's kind of cool. I'm a geek. Because I am. I mean, I'm just saying. LOL. Laugh out loud. I think it's funny when people say LOL. My daughter said that the other day. She said somebody you say LOL. LOL is something you use in texting and writing. You don't actually say it. Why would you just say LOL? Laugh out loud. Why say LOL if you can laugh out loud? Just laugh out loud. Let it out. So let your laugh out. What is this? I think that's alder again. Trying to use them different woods and stuff here. This one's kind of cool. This took a little longer, but this is a stay calm. And it's an example of how you can do inside cuts for the letters and outside cuts. And this is actually a combination. So it says stay calm. And I think this is a pretty cool pattern because it's like the stay calm is sinking. Well, I like to think of it as rising above the chaos. But part of the letters are out of the wood and part of them are in the wood. Very unique, kind of cool. This took a little bit longer because this is a 1 inch thick 1 inch thick piece of red oak, I believe it is. And boy, this is going to be pretty when it's stained. But yeah, stay calm. Okay, what do I got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The smiles. Yeah, and one more. Lest you think that word art is only for decoration, you can use word art and make things that are useful too. I think this one's pretty cool. The pusher. I think this is a Steve Good design. I'm not positive. It's a push stick for a table saw. Huh? Huh? Are you getting it? You see it? It's a pusher, and it's a push stick. It's useful for a table saw, and it says the pusher on there. I kind of modify the lettering a little bit. So when you're doing inside lettering, sometimes you have to do them in pieces because otherwise they'll fall all the way through. But you can be pretty creative, and I was kind of creative with the lettering a little bit there. So, but yeah, the pusher. So yeah, so you got the pusher. I got my smiles. Got the LOL. Got the I'm a geek. Got the whatever. Got the what's up. Got the poop happens. You gotta love it. You just gotta love it. Got the stay calm. Got the old fart award. And the duh. Anyway, I just thought I'd share. Again, I made 10 projects, actually 12 because I did 3 smiles, in less than 3 hours. Yeah, I gotta sand them and clear coat them, stain them, whatever we're gonna do with them. But you know, a couple of them took a little longer, a couple of them were quicker. Just fun. I like doing word art. I like making words out of wood. It's just fun. It's one of my favorite things to do on the scroll saw. And I woke up early this morning. I couldn't get back to sleep, but I thought, well, I gotta get back to work today. I need to get some scrolling, and I just need to have some fun time scrolling. Even if it's chilly out here, it's still fun. And that's the thing, y'all. I know some of you are new to scroll sawing and woodworking. You're starting. Some of you have been doing it for years. I've been doing it for 33 years. Making my silly videos on YouTube for 13 years, something like that. Oh, this channel's been 1 year, but I had 11 years, 12. Anyway, you know that. Anyway, I just do it for fun. I've been doing woodworking way longer than YouTube. I just do the videos for fun. Woodworking is my hobby, and it's just enjoyable. And I really like scroll sawing, and I like doing word art. And that's just a sampling. There's so many other patterns out there, all kinds of different word art, and you can make up your own, and you can combine them, and you can find old patterns and just all kinds of fun different designs, and you get to see the uniqueness in all these. So yeah, again, you know, I don't have much time, much money, much space, much talent, and yet I can still create fun things out of wood on the scroll saw. You can too. If I can do it, you can do it. And you know, so there, yeah. Just have fun making sawdust. And yeah, I just wanted to do some fun, whimsical, because all these are kind of funny ones too. That was the other theme I wanted to have in this video, is just whimsical, fun, lighthearted, just kind of different kinds of word art in wood, just to help you smile. Anyway, thanks so much for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, click the bell, all that if you like. Please comment and share and all that, yada 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 yada. Hey, yada yada, that'd be a fun one to cut out a word. Any saying, any word, any quote, any scripture. You can cut it, if you can draw it, you can cut it in wood. So yeah, anyway, so go make some sawdust and have a wonderful day, and we'll see you on the next one.